you heard about the new Japandi design trend? If not, this is the video for you. Hello, home decor family, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Now, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. Now, in today's video, we are going to quickly discuss this new trend that's emerging. This trend is called Japandi. Now, if you don't know what Japandi is, stay tuned and keep watching because you are not alone. Now, before we get all the way into it, don't forget to check that description box. I have a hand-curated list of items if you love this style in your home and you want to recreate something similar to it. Ready for a new trend in interior design? Then meet Japandi design. Japandi is a fusion of the Japanese philosophy and Scandinavian design. Both Japan and Scandinavia are known for their love of functional yet elegant minimalism. The two cultures also share similar ideas around finding the contentment in the simple things, the little things. So this design style blends the Scandi concept of huga, a homely feeling of coziness, with the Japanese term wabi-sabi, which refers to seeing beauty in imperfection. Cozy but minimalist. Japandi style stands in stark contrast to the colorful, pattern, bold, maximalist interiors that we have been seeing a lot of recently. Instead, Japandi favors the less is more approach, with a rejection of fussy prints and accessories and an emphasis on really clean lines, earthy colors, artisan craftsmanship, sustainable materials, and keeping in touch and at one with nature. A lot of designers say that the future will belong to Japandi interiors, and for all of the right reasons. It's clean and minimalist. It's warm and cozy, and not to mention utterly beautiful. Now, if you like this specific design type and want to know how you can emulate this style in your home, just keep right on watching. Here's how you can achieve the perfect Japandi design interior. Step number 1, declutter. The first step in creating the Japandi style at home is having a clean canvas to work with. In Marie Kondo fashion, have a big declutter and only display items that really make you happy and, in her words, spark joy. If that happens to be quite a lot of items, if you're a homeware addict like myself, display them neatly in a line on a shelf or dot them individually about the room to avoid the accessories looking busy or cluttered. If you're wondering about artwork, gallery walls are actually not the way to go when it comes to Japandi style. Instead, hang one centerpiece artwork or keep the walls bare and let the furniture and accessories do all the talking. Japandi interiors are all about being soothing, mindful spaces, so stick to a serene, neutral color palette. Avoid bold, heavily patterned wallpapers and fabrics. Step number 2, create clean lines. One way of creating a harmonious space, which is synonymous with Japanese interior design, is to create clean lines in your room or your home. This is achieved by featuring strong shapes with crisp edges, such as a long sleek sideboard or a floating shelf. For maximum impact, blend numerous shapes, both curved and straight, such as a round sofa behind a sharp, square coffee table. Use the lines themselves as a decoration. Don't obscure them with trailing plants or soft furnishings. The overall look should be one of continuity, blending shapes and sleek functionality. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. Number 3, add contrast. To keep your Japandi decor scheme from looking bare, it's important to add points of contrast through color. Black accents work wonderfully well against a wooden interior, while a single splash of color, such as maybe a sky blue wall or olive green cabinets, will add the brightness and warmth that we sometimes want in our home. Base your color palette on light neutral colors, then mix with subtle flashes of contrasting colors such as dark blue, dark brown, black, or red to add warmth. Don't be afraid to add pops of pattern too, whether that's in rugs, prints, or furniture. Adding a contrast color to your interior doesn't have to be a large paint job though. You can achieve the same look using colorful crockery, a statement artwork, or a bold cushion, which can all work just as well. They are a little bit cheaper and a lot easier. Another way to achieve the Japandi design look in your home is to use natural materials. As Scandinavia and Japan both value highly skilled carpentry and craftsmanship, it only makes sense that one of the main elements of the Japandi trend is an emphasis on natural materials, especially wood. When it comes to using natural materials in your home, the more that you can incorporate, the merrier. Wooden floors, wooden cabinets, and accessories with a natural finish, such as wicker or rattan, will all help to achieve the Japandi look. If you're on a budget, decide on one statement item for your room, such as maybe a wooden coffee table, a bamboo partition, or a large plant stand. Goodwill, Salvation Army, and other thrift stores are actually really economical stores to shop at that may have some of these decor pieces that you can get on the cheap. So now is a great time to interrupt and ask you not to forget to comment your favorite usage of this trend. As far as the pictures that you've seen down below in the comment section, I'd love to know which ones that you all like the most. Another huge way to make this look your own is to plant up. What better way to bring nature into your decor scheme than with plants? Stay true to the trend by using elegant Japanese plants such as bamboo and bonsai. Any large structural plants will do the job, however. Plant your greenery in a natural woven basket or a rustic terracotta pot. Stand against a bare wall for impact, or with a smaller plant, position it neatly on a shelf alongside your other desired accessories. The next design tip that I can give you is to make use of light. One of the most recognizable factors of Scandinavian interior design is white, bright lighting schemes, with a focus on natural light in particular. Japanese interior design is the same. Floor-length windows and sliding doors means natural light can just pour into a room. If you don't have a great deal of natural light in your home, consider reviewing your window dressing. Maybe you could switch out your heavy curtains for blinds that could potentially let in more lights. Soft lighting is also a great way to warm up the space. A paper shade hung at a slightly lower level than a traditional ceiling light keeps the look feeling contemporary. But if you're struggling for space, go for a simple paper standing lamp with warm light bulbs. Okay guys, so I have asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know mine, it is this beautiful room right here. It's very open, it's calming, and I just really love this room. But once again, tell me your favorite down below. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video guys. Stay stylish, stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.